just woke up, and I woke up at 5:30, by the way. That was unusual because yesterday I woke up at 6. Today I want to change my routine and become more consistent waking up at morning, because that's the best time for me. Wake up in the morning. So just what happens is that I get a lot of time to get my things done. Then after waking up at 5:30, I spend half an hour with the Lord. उसके बाद I was like, I'm like, मैं लेट गई और मैं सो गई. मैं सोचा half an hour का nap लूँगी, but it went to 7:30, so I slept from 6 o'clock to 7:15 again, and then I woke up. So now I have class at 8. I have class at 8:30, 8:30 to 9:30. 8:30 to 9:30. It's in Delhi, so I'll be heading out for that. Then उसके बाद I have class at 10 to 11. Also, from last Sunday I've tanned a lot क्योंकि मेरा sunscreen खत्म हो चुका है, और जो दुविधा आपने सोची थी क्या करूँगी मैं ये खत्म होने के बाद, वही हो गया. Need to get new sunscreen as well now. Also, I want to share about yesterday, what happened yesterday. So this Sunday, Next Gen service is gonna start. So we are so excited for that. It's a Gen Z service with all the Gen Zs and youths, or jo koi bhi. It's an English service, especially for the Gen Zs and Northeast people. We were so excited for that, and we were creating content on Sunday for that. Then suddenly on Monday, Lord put this in my heart कि भाई बांटो जाके. Then yesterday, me and my fiance, we went to Chhatarpur. There are churches, और वहाँ जाके हमने सारे pamphlets लिए और इतने सारे लिए. Then छतरपुर में ही 2 घंटे हम वहाँ फंसे. 1 घंटे तक छतरपुर में फंसे because of the traffic. I bless the traffic of Chhatarpur, to be honest. Then we went to Safdarjung, and it was so good to see what Lord did, because at first I was so scared to approach people, but then my fiance Akash, I was so happy to see him. He was going to people, giving out the flyers, speaking to them. He was telling about Jesus. He was inviting them to come to the Next Gen. And when I was looking at him, I was like, यही तो मैंने प्रेयर करा था. I was like, God, you are such a good God. You are a prayer answering God, and I was so blessed, and I was so happy and overjoyed seeing him, to be honest. So now I'm gonna get ready for the class. Okay, I have 2 classes. What need I was I'm gonna get breakfast. For breakfast, I'm having masala dosa. मैं अभी चली जाऊँगी, फिर पता नहीं कब आऊँगी, 11-12 बजे. So it's better to have something than to starve. That so good. My mom made it. I am back from my classes, and I'm back home, and right now I'm in the kitchen, and my mom made this salad and it tastes so good. I'm gonna have this later, but अभी मैं I'll make masala dosa क्योंकि मैंने सुबह ज़्यादा खाया नहीं था, 1-2 ही खाया था, and then I'm gonna make some cold coffee. So yeah, यहाँ का lighting थोड़ा कम है. I'm almost done with my classes. I have just 1 class left. That's in the evening. I just love desi ghee with dosa because the combination is next level भाई. तो मेरी मम्मी अगर ये vlog देख रही होगी, फिर तो वो देखेगी जितना घी मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ, then she will be like, I'm gonna drizzle थोड़ा सा इसके ऊपर से भी. I have the mix prepared already by my mom, so I'll be using this. Hey guys, it is currently, I think it's 2:30. I have class at 4, so I have to go for that. Before that, I want to clean my table. I'm having my salads. I love this bowl. I got this from Sarojini. It's really cute. And I can even use this for microwave also. Before heading out, I am gonna clean my table. And after that, I will be going for a run because June has started and it's a summer reset. I will be going out for a run after everything is done because नया month start हुआ है. I am trying to set a routine to work out 5 times a day. 5 times a week. So yeah, a good healthy habits that I'm trying to set up क्योंकि अब मेरा tone निकल चुका है. Done with the class. I'm heading out. I will be going back home. So I'm back from class and I quickly changed into my fit because I'm going out for a run. मैं दौड़ने जा रही हूँ बाहर. I just don't like running. I'm very out of shape, so I need to run, and running is the best exercise for me to get in shape. And the other exercise would be cardio. I love cardio. I don't hate cardio. I actually love cardio. Trying to build that consistent habit. I went for running on 1st of June. That was Monday, which was crazy, and जिसकी वजह से. But yesterday I couldn't go because I was so exhausted because we went out to spread the flyers about Next Gen. And if you are watching, yes, I'm talking about you. If you are watching this video, I invite you to our Next Gen service. It will be very fun because it's for the Gen Zs and all the young people. क्योंकि भाई, people say Gen Zs are dumb, stupid. But Lord says you are a chosen generation. So that's it. So also if you're wondering ये सब क्या है, कूड़ा, ये क्या कूड़ा है? This is not कूड़ा. This is Liora का बक्से. All our inventory is here in my small room. My room is very small. और हमारे पास कोई और option नहीं है. So yeah, we're doing it here. Our time to move out comes, and when God tells us to move out. Wearing this top, this was brought from Shein. बहुत साल पहले जब कोविड के टाइम पे था. So yeah, this was a set. Then I'm wearing this track pants. Yeah. So let's go. Done with the workout. Feels so good. पहले तो मन नहीं कर रहा था बिल्कुल भी. Now I'm kind of craving गोल पुचका. गोल पुचका. So I'm back home. I took a quick shower. So let's do my night care routine. So I'm gonna detangle my curls. For this I got this brush. इसके दांत, it's very wide and it doesn't tangle within my hair. I got this from Meesho for 100 or 150 rupees. So this is a lifesaver. Now I'm gonna put a sheet mask. This is from Miniso. This is a nice niacinamide sheet mask. My face is already clean and washed, so I'm gonna directly put this on my face. So there are some things that I want to discuss with you guys, that we have launched a business, that is Leora Premium Formal Wear. You can check out the link in the description, link the website down. And we have put so much love and work into our business. We have seen great favor from the side of Lord. I mean, I have no words for what God has done for us. So yeah, I'm so grateful that we are even able to start up our business. I never thought that I could ever do such thing. It was not possible for me, not at all. But I couldn't have done this business without God's grace, and as well as my partner Akash, who has been the biggest support all the time. He has always been such. I mean, क्या बोलूं? कभी मेरे कुछ भी चीज़ों के लिए ना कभी no नहीं बोला है. He has been there for always with me in everything. I'm gonna put my hair serum onto my hair. Set timer for 15 minutes. I'll just put in my hands, देखो, moisturized. In the meantime, I'm gonna reflect on my day, and for tomorrow, I'm gonna set up my goals. It's also part of my nighttime routine. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for making it till here. See you in the next video.